Yes, it is time to speak up and speak your truth and be the emperor and make those decisions that claim your power, that ignite your power, that bring you everything that you've ever wanted, which is not really the point. The point is about living your life where you're in command. Yes, command and demand. In the name of the Christ consciousness, that all you need comes to you now. Claim it so. You have the power, you have the knowledge, you have the guidance, you have the wisdom, you have the grace.